Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Sunday. Hope everyone had a good week. Everybody is safe. And now we have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below, check them out, and see what goodies they have to offer. There we go, and let's share. Oops. There we go. What we got here? The heck? Alright, hold on one sec. Aha! I found them. They were hidden. There we go. Let me pause you guys one sec. Alrighty, YouTubers, this is coming from good old Quick Fix. They are on Amazon. The link will be down below where you can get some of these. Got little fuzzies everywhere, but here we go. These are the resealable, reusable bags for your refrigerator. Eco-friendly. You can wash them. Liquids. Especially with the holidays coming up, you want to store some leftovers. These would be great to take on the road with. I'm going to go in the kitchen and show you a little sample on what they could fit in a few seconds. Let me load something up here. But these are really good, especially now with everything costing so much. These would be great things to keep around. Grab a couple. Great stocking stuffers, Quick Fix, and we're going to open these up. And maybe I need a little poker. There we go. I got that open. Let's see what these things look like. So thank you guys over at Quick Fix for sending this to show the YouTubers. So you can fit your veggies, your fruits, your hot dogs, and they got open. Ooh, nice. And check that out. Flexible. So I can hold some weight, some leftover turkey. Take it to work with you, to school. Durable, sealed, waterproof, 2 sizes. Freezer safe, so that's also good. So you can put your salmon, some sausage, I guess. Especially right now with all the goodies coming up with the holidays. Turkey dinner, Thanksgiving dinner, Christmas dinner. So you guys might want to grab a few and get them at a low cost right now. Let's see what else am I missing here before I show you the example. Travel or freezing, airtight, leak-proof, and zippered. That's easy to shut. Pretty comfortable feeling. So there's the 2 smalls. Here's the biggies. So you can fit your lunch in here, dinner. Definitely some other stuff. Oh yeah. It won't leak. Yeah, fairly durable. So you get 5. It's very lead free. So eco-friendly. Save up to $500. That's crazy. Make sure you stock up a few. So definitely check them out. We're gonna go in the kitchen and see what it can hold. See how this works. Some magic. Alright. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go in the kitchen. We got the large bag. It is washable safe, so you can stick like, let's see how many tacos. Taco Bell going on here. Fit a couple tacos. Probably 2 tacos. Let's say maybe two, couple hot dogs, you know, a sandwich at least, tomatoes. So, see, it fits 2 tacos pretty good. So that's really good to have. Take it with you to lunch at work. And then, let's see what else. Oh, cheese. Got the cheese. We can also shove some waffles or some pancakes. Oh yeah, Fruity Pebble pancakes. Bada boom. A couple of those in there. Pretty much you guys get my drift with the hot dogs. What else you could shove in here? So you can seal it back up. Stay fresh. And you guys could act fast and get them now before they're gone. Look at that. Boom. Easy to store in the freezer or in the fridge. Your choice. So check them out. Quick fix. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good night. Be safe out there. See you guys back in a few. And see ya. I almost forgot. Sorry about that. The small bag. We got this guy. Can't forget the little guy sometimes, you know. Sometimes they can hold more stuff in. This will be good for maybe carrots, some more pancakes. Maybe one pancake. It's like a sausage biscuit or something. But that's what it looks like with the pancake in there. Pretty cool. I'll eat this later. Oh yeah, pancakes are definitely one of my faves. So, but like I said, deep pockets. You can hold some stuff in it. And it's seal proof, so no leaks. You hold some liquid stuff. Maybe I should fill it up with water. Hold on one sec. Whoa. It is leak safe. Look at that. You can take a fish home in one of these bags. Especially the larger bags. Get it from the, you know, a little fishy in there. Get some alcohol. You can make your own hooch. Oh yeah, some vodka, tequila, Jack Daniels. That's from the sink faucet, but it ain't leaking. Ooh. It ain't leaking at all. Squishy. Awesome stuff. So check them out, YouTubers. Quick fix. Large. Small. Medium-ish. But you can fit a lot of things in here, though. Some Kool-Aid. Some lean. Whatever you guys do. And there you go. Awesome. Alright, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a good night. And see ya.